everyone. My name is S. Naresh Kumar. My friend name is S. Satish Kumar. Today we are going to see a topic under ratio analysis. Let's move on to the topic. Under ratio analysis, we have to see the problem of profitability ratio. Let's move on to the topic. Here, see what is the meaning of profitability ratio. Profitability ratio measures the ability of a business to earn profit for its owners. Profitability indicates the efficiency or effectiveness with which the operations of the business is carried on is the meaning of profitability ratio. Then we have to see what is the type of profitability ratios are there. Number 1, gross profit ratio. Number 2, net profit ratio. Number 3, operating profit ratio. Number 4, operating ratio. Number 5, expenses ratio. Number 6, earnings per share ratio. Number 7, payout ratio. Number 8, return on shareholder funds. Number 9, return on total assets. Number 10, interest coverage ratio. These are the types of profitability ratio. Okay, let's see the formulas for profitability ratio. First, gross profit ratio is equal to gross profit divided by net sales into 100. Second, net profit ratio. Net profit ratio is equal to net profit by net sales into 100. Operating profit ratio. Operating profit divide net sales into 100. Operating ratio. Cost of goods sold minus operating expenses divided by net sales into 100. These are the formula for profitability ratio under these four method types. Let's see one problem. Here the question is given. From the following summarized profit and loss account, calculate gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, operating profit ratio and operating ratio. We have to find the solution for these four types. Already we saw the formula. Here the four types of formula are there. Let's find the solution. First, analyze the question. What is given? Particulars rupees. Opening stock is 1 lakh. Purchase 3,50,000. Wages 9,000. Gross profit 2,00,000. Sales 5,60,000. Closing stock 10 lakh. The format is given is we have to know the trading and profit and loss account. The question is given under the format of trading and profit and loss account. Administrative expenses 20,000. Selling and distribution expenses 89,000. Non-profit operating expenses 30,000. Net profit 80,000. By gross profit 2,00,000. By interest on investment 10,000. By profit and sale of investment 8,000. Let's find the solution. First we have to find what is gross profit ratio. We already know the formula for gross profit ratio. Gross profit by net sales into 100. Here the question itself given what is gross profit. 2,00,000 divided by net sales. You see in the credit side 5,60,000 into 100. We get 35.89%. In ratio and all we should add a percentage alone. Let's see second one, net profit ratio. Net profit ratio, we know the formula. Net profit by net sales into 100. Net profit is already given in the question itself. 80,000 divided by net sales we already know 5,60,000 into 100. We got 14.28% is the net profit ratio. Then we have to find an operating profit ratio. The formula for the operating profit ratio is operating profit divided by net sales into 100. First we have to find what is operating profit. Operating profit means gross profit plus minus operating expenses. Then we have to find what is, we already know what is gross profit. Then we have to find what is operating expenses. Operating expenses is equal to administrative expenses plus selling expenses. Administrative expenses is question itself given 20,000 and selling also is given 89,000. Both we add, we get 1,09,000. So operating profit, gross profit is 2,00,000 minus 1,09,000 is equal to 92,000. So operating profit ratio is equal to, operating profit is 92,000 divided by 5,60,000 as a net sales into 100. We got 16.43 percentage. Next, operating ratio. The formula for operating ratio is cost of goods sold plus operating profit divided by net sales into 100. First, we have to find what is cost of goods sold. Cost of goods sold includes sales minus gross profit. Sales is already given the question itself. Minus gross profit 2,10,000. We got 3,59,000. Operating expenses we already know. Administrative expenses plus selling expenses. We get 1,09,000. Both are given in the question itself. Then we have to substitute the amount in the formula itself. 3,59,000 plus 1,90,000 divided by 5,60,000 into 100. We get 83.57 percentage. I hope you all understand the profitability ratio, meaning of profitability ratio, types of profitability ratio, and we saw the one problem. I hope you all cleared with the sums what we have worked out today.